Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Insurer portal login with Okta detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your Insurer portal login with Okta, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Insurer portal's login page. Locate the option for Forgot Password or Need Help Logging In? Click on that link to initiate the password reset process. Enter your registered email address associated with your Insurer account. Check your email inbox for a password reset email. If you don't see it, make sure to check the spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the provided link to reset your password. Follow the prompts to create a new password. Once your password is updated, return to the Insurer portal's login page. Now, enter your registered email address and new password. After logging in, locate the Settings or Profile section of your account. In this section, find the option to update your login method or security settings. Select the integration option for Okta. You may need to authenticate your account using multi-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to link your Insurer account with Okta. Ensure you authorize the connection by allowing necessary permissions. Once linked, check your Okta dashboard for the Insurer portal integration. To ensure everything is functioning properly, log out and log back in via Okta. Test the new login process to confirm successful integration. If you encounter any issues, revisit the settings to verify your configurations. You have now successfully updated your Insurer portal login with Okta. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.